Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Crypto.com account. First, open the Crypto.com app on your smartphone. Look for the Login button, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap it, then carefully enter the email address you used to register your account. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password or use your fingerprint or Face ID if you have those security features enabled. This is the most straightforward way to regain access. If you can't remember your password, don't worry. On the login screen, you'll see a Forgot Password option. Tap this, and the app will ask you to enter your registered email address. A password reset link will then be sent to that email. Make sure to check your inbox and sometimes your spam folder for the email containing the instructions to create a new password. This process is designed to be quick and secure. If the standard login or password reset methods don't work, contacting support is your next step. You can visit the Crypto.com Help Center online for frequently asked questions and troubleshooting guides. For more direct help, use the in-app chat support feature. Be ready to provide some account details for verification purposes, like your registered email or phone number, to help them quickly identify and assist you with your account. To prevent future access issues, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds an extra layer of security. Also, if you have a recovery phrase, ensure it's stored in a very secure, offline location, like a physical notebook, not on your computer or phone. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Keeping your account secure is paramount, so always be vigilant with your login information and security settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.